ondik jochiw thieth mag UHC e yo mongirore kaka ne ochika kod jatend piny William Ruto. Jagoro maduong' mar riwruog jochiw thieth marango ler mar aluora Brown Ashira maloso nyeri mana ndalo achiel bang' jatend migawo mar thieth Aden Duale golo chik mondo duol mar governors olos kaka ichiwo barupe ne jochiw thieth go. Osingo ni ok gibidok e tich nyaka giyud barupe mag tich e yo mongirore. Jochiw thieth gi osebedo e ng'anyo kuom ndalo 4 koro.
We are asking the COG to man up. I mean, health is a devolved function. We know the governors refused to give our colleagues the PNP letters. Our UHC colleagues have been suffering for over 6 years. It is the governor that requires the staff, because most counties are actually understaffed. So they should be the one now actually opening their arms actually wide and welcoming the staff.
We want more employment. We want more improvement in terms of preventive space, and we are in support of it. As long as preventive is catered